I could not believe that this is how this Rasta man from Jamaica is treating his mother who have dementia. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that this is the way how this youth is treating his mother. But what could I expect? He's a Rasta man. Guys, stick around because we're going to get some answers and kind of look down in this thing and to find out why this Rasta man from Jamaica is treating his mother with dementia like this. And for all of you Rastas out there, you Rastafarians, you dreads, this video is for you. Stay tuned and you're gonna see how Rastas really treat people that are sick. Don't go nowhere. I will be right back. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and I am back at it again. Thanks for tuning in to the channel one more time again, guys. If this is your first time tuning in, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell that whenever I drop a video you won't miss it. Big up yourself, Mackie Lifestyle Adventure. Bless up yourself, my brother. Much love and respect to you and your family. Yo, give your mother a hug for me, my brother. I love the vibes. I love the relationship and the vibes that you have with your mother. And, you know, much respect to you, my brother. Keep on doing the thing for your mother. All right? Bless up yourself every time. I'm going to leave his channel link in the description. Just go over there and show him some love. Tell him that Manix sent you over there, guys. Please, I'm begging you. Matter of fact, guys, this video is about Mackie and his mother. I'm doing this video as a follow-up video to kind of shed some light on him to show the relationship that he have with his mother. I call him for him to give me permission so I can talk about him and his mother. And he said, okay, go ahead, Manix. And thank you for that, my brother. I really appreciate you giving me the go ahead to talk about you and your mom. And so guys, I recently uploaded a video about Mackie, and it was from a video that YouTube recommended, and it was one in which he was washing his mother hair. The video touched me, guys. It really touched me, man. It's a touching video that he uploaded. I think it's a live, and it cost me send a little token, a little gift. He did a video of him receiving the items, unboxing of the items, and do a reaction video of him and the type of relationship that his mother have. And you guys, some of you saw the video. Those of you who haven't watched it yet, I would implore you to go and check it out, and also go over his channel. Check out his channel, guys. Mackie do some nice videos of him cooking for his mother, feeding his mother, taking care of his mother, and all of that stuff. And it's really a good mother and son relationship. Really, guys, it's no fake or pretending. Go over his channel and check it out. Mackie Lifestyle Adventure TV. Check it out, guys. Awesome content, you know. I'm from Jamaica, and, you know, sometimes Rastas get a bad rap. A bad rap, guys. I'm going to say it. Sometimes the way you hear people talk about Rastas, like Rastas are the worst people. Oh, they're dreadlocks, they're Rasta, they're bongo, they're Nyabingi, oh, they're natty. The natty them not clean, the natty them a fake dread whatsoever. I've been there. I'm from Jamaica, and I hear how Jamaicans talk about Rastas. You know, don't be fooled when you watch the media and you see how some of them talk about Rasta this. A lot of Jamaicans don't respect Rastas. Rastas sometimes don't get a good rap in Jamaica. A lot of people don't treat Rastas with respect. You hear no look good and this and that and ray and blah blah blah. A lot of people don't respect Rastas in Jamaica. Some of them will let it look as if they do, but Rastafarian really, a lot of people don't really respect it, man. And the reason why I'm saying this, guys, I want to use this young man, Mackie, to change the narrative. I want to use Mackie Lifestyle Adventure TV to change the narrative. And I'm going to show you how this brother is taking care of his mother that has dementia. And the way how you see Mackie chilling out and interacting with his mother, a lot of people will think that a Rasta man cannot do this. People, especially a lot of Jamaicans, a lot of them let it seem as if Rastas are not entwined to reality. That all Rasta do is smoke weed and talk about Selassie and knot up their hair and walk around in raggedy clothes and a roaming nomad. But look at this guy. Look at the way how Mackie is interacting with his mom. Just look at how the bro is interacting with his mother. He just bring a refreshing, man. It is so refreshing. It is so refreshing. And I'm not saying this for the Rastafarian community to come down on me and to beat me up or anything, to say, why am I letting it sound as if this is something new? This is how Rastas are. But guys, you don't normally see videos of Rasta doing this type of stuff. That's what I'm talking about. A lot of the videos that people will show you with Rasta is Rasta smoking in chalice and smoking some big weed and herb and beating him Congo drum and talking about Haile Selassie and Naya Bingi and all of those stuff. You're not going to see a lot of contents out there with a Rasta literally sitting down and taking care of his mother like this. There's not a lot of videos out there like, I bet you if you scan YouTube now, you won't gonna see a lot of videos like this, because a lot of them don't portray Rastas in this sense as a person that will take care of a loved one. No, I don't know what kind of work Mackie does, but I think he works and then he fit within his schedule to take care of his mom, because his mom have dementia. And anybody who have a family member that have dementia, you know how it is. You know how it is to deal with somebody that have dementia. And just look how this brother is interacting with his mom, man. He was washing his mother here the other day, and I think he did it in her life, and he was washing his mother here, and you see the compassion and the finesse and the love and the meekness of how he was interacting and treating his mom. And it touched my heart, guys. It touched my heart. And then again, I was watching more of his videos, and I said, okay, let me check up on some of these more, check up on more of his videos. And guys, it's the same thing. If you go over on his channel, guys, you will see him literally picking coconut, chopping out the coconut, give the mom drink the coconut water, and then he scoop out the coconut flesh or the jelly and give it to his mother. You see him cook some natural food, and after him finish cook, feeding his mom. And I say, yo, this bro is really a genuine brother, man. Showing so much compassion, so much finesse, so much love toward his mother. And guys, this is it. There's a lot of us right now watching these videos that, you know, Mackie can teach us a lot. Mackie can teach us a lot, you know. A lot of us don't really have a good relationship with our parents. A lot of us don't. And a lot of us have relationships with our parents that are strained, that are damaged, that are on the verge of also severed. Let us take a chapter out of Mackie book, guys. Even though some people may say, yo, he's a Rasta, we don't want to associate ourselves with Rasta because Rastas are illiterate. Rastas don't have no sense. Rastas are backward. They are not entwined with reality. They are not in tune to reality. They are bush dwellers. They are cave dwellers. They are nomads. We don't want to associate ourselves with these undesirables. Bro, I respect you, man. I tip my hat to you, bro. To see how you rally around her, how you treat her with dignity, how you treat her with humanity, how you treat her with compassion, you treat her with love, you know, you treat her with patience. That says a lot about your character, man. That's how sons and mothers supposed to live, in love and unity. And you know, there's a lot of people out there when, you know, they will have their loved ones and their loved ones get sick and they don't even want to see them no more. They don't even want to interact with them no more. But to see that you didn't even take away yourself. You are there to make sure your mom have a well, fresh, prepared meal. You are there to make your mom feel loved, to feel wanted, to feel welcome, to feel the warmness of somebody showing her compassion and love. Speak to the character that is inside of you, bro. What you're doing, you're sending a message out there to turn the narrative of how they see Rastafaris, man. And I hope a lot of people may see this video and even check out your channel and see the way how people portray Rastas. It's wrong. This is the Rasta that people need to see. This is the Rasta that a lot of people are not aware of. This is the Rasta that a lot of people have never seen, because the way our society, the way how some people paint the image of Rasta, sometimes it's not in a good way. So what you're doing now is showing a side of Rastafarianism that a lot of people never seen before. Keep it up, bro. You're doing an amazing job. I know you will dare to make sure that your mom enjoy the rest of her natural life. I pray Jah give you long life also, bro. Pray that Jah give you the strength, give you more strength and the perseverance to press on. All that you're doing is not in vain. And the thing said, Jah, Father God, not seeing the good work that you're doing for your mother, bro. He's seeing everything that you're doing, man. He sees the patient. Patient is a virtue. Don't think he don't see the patient that you have towards your mother, how you cook your natural food for her. You take time to feed her, to make sure that she's happy, make sure she's comfortable, bro. And I know that your mom is very appreciative of what you're doing for her. I know your mom is very appreciative of everything that you're doing for her, my brother. Keep on doing the good work, Mackie. Don't get weary in well-doing, my brother. It's so encouraging to see, to watch your videos of how you're interacting and to take care of your mother, bro. It brings tears to my eye, and it's also bring joy to my heart to see what you're doing. It really speaks volume of how you really dear for your mother, man. Keep on keeping on. Be there for her. You know? And guys, check out this channel, man. I guarantee you that you won't be disappointed tuning into Mackie. You won't be disappointed. And any of you want to reach out to him, I'm going to drop the information in the description also. Go over there, man. Go over there, check out his channel, guys. You won't be disappointed. If you feel down and depressed, if you have somebody in your family right now that have dementia, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, any of those mental situation, check out Mackie videos and see how he interacts with his mom, man. Call him up and learn. Ask him how, get some pointers, get some tips of how he deal with his mom who have dementia. Check him out, guys. When I watched that first video, guys, I felt a renewance. I felt like a refreshing just blew over me, man. Like something new on YouTube. Something new and pure. I couldn't believe it. I had to, as I said, guys, I had to call him. When I saw the video, guys, I had to call him and say, bro, you bring what I see you doing to your mom, you bring tears to my eyes, man. You give me a joy to see what you're doing for your mother. Guys, check out this channel, man. Check out his content, guys. Check on and see how he interacts with his mom, with his family, with his friends. Pure love, man. Pure love. Check it out, guys. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. And I hope a lot of people out there, when you believe that Rastas are ignorant and this and that. Yo, go check out Mackie's channel, man. And see how we as human beings supposed to live and treat our loved one. And maybe you will learn a point or two. Because I tell you, man, I watch him and see how he does. And yo, he just let me look within myself, man. Check it out, guys. Check out this Rasta youth. And see how he conduct himself. Simplicity, humble, meekness, gentleness, and love towards people who he associate himself with, man. Seriously. But Mackie, keep on doing the thing, bro. Much love and respect to you. Blessing. Give your mother a hug for me, man. This youth named Mannix Robinson say me fi hug you. Call me. Even make a video and say, yo, Mannix, see to you, me call your name and me hug my mother. Give your mother a hug for me, bro. None joke about it. Because, yo, a pure love me see you have. A pure love I see within the thing, within your family, in the relationship between you and your mother. Yo, and that's the way it should be. Bless up yourself, bro. Guys, check out his channel, guys. Go over there, bring up his numbers too, man, because this youth channel needs some exposure so that people can see how people supposed to live. How the part of Rastas, what a lot of people now talk about, and what social media now show, and what society don't want to talk about. This is the part of Rasta where a lot of people don't want you to know about. This is the part of the Rastas that society, that social media, that people don't want you to know about. Check it out, guys. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Alright? Bless up yourself, Mackie. Have yourself a blessed one. Keep on doing the thing, my brother. Keep on pushing out the vibes, the positiveness in the universe that the young youths them and the younger generation and even the older generation may see, say, yo, this is how life should be. Alright? Guys, thanks again for tuning in to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to Mannix Robinson TV. If you find this video interesting, consider to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that post notification bell, that whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. Have yourself a blessed one, guys. I'm out.